If you have formed your LLC through LegalZoom or manage your business with them, renewing your LLC is an essential step to keep it in good standing. In this video, I'll walk you through how to renew your LLC through LegalZoom, what's included and what to watch out for to avoid late fees or dissolution. LLC renewal typically means filing your annual or biennial report with the state and paying any required fees. The good news is, if you signed up for LegalZoom's compliance or registered agent services, you'll likely receive reminders when your renewal is due. LegalZoom can handle the paperwork on your behalf, making the process quick and easy. To renew, log into your LegalZoom dashboard. If your state filing is due, you will usually see a notification or an option under your business profile that says something like renew now or annual report due. Click that and LegalZoom will guide you through confirming your business details like address, ownership structure, and registered agent info. After that, they file the report with their state and send you a confirmation when it's done. Keep in mind that each state has its own filing details and fees. LegalZoom automatically adjusts the process based on your state's requirements. If you are managing multiple LLCs or forgot your renewal deadline, LegalZoom's system helps prevent costly mistakes by keeping everything in one place. If this walkthrough helped you feel more confident about renewing your LLC through LegalZoom, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Got a question about late fees, state specific rules, or compliance options? Drop a comment and I will help you out directly.